The A and B receptors are thought to mediate increase in heart rate associated with atrial distension called Bain bridge reflex. Chymography is monitoring of neuromuscular function. Nitrogen narcosis is caused due to increased solubility of nitrogen in nerve cell membrane. Animals that are chronically exposed to cold have increased sympathetic stimulation to cold. Administration of pure oxygen to hypoxic patient is dangerous because apnea occurs due to hyperstimulation of peripheral chemoreceptors. Clamping of carotid artery below the carotid sinus can lead to increase in blood pressure and increase in heart rate. Mean arterial blood pressure is calculated as SBP plus 2 dBp by 3. Gut flora function include synthesis of short chain fatty acids, production of vitamin K, and fermentation of mucin. The main function of renal tubule in concentration of the urine, which is measured by specific gravity of urine. Hence, it is the most sensitive index for renal tubular function. Hyperaldosteronism is associated with metabolic alkalosis. Calcium binds to troponin C to initiate muscle contraction. Transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation is based on gate control pain theory of pain. Feed-forward inhibition synapse in cerebellum. In cerebellum, it helps to convert duration of excitation. Self-stimulation is achieved by medial forebrain bundle. CK and LDH are CSF enzymes. Stewart-Hamilton equation is for measurement of cardiac output. In right-handed individual, left cerebral hemisphere is more developed than right cerebral hemisphere. Left cerebral hemisphere is responsible for written and spoken language. Components of counter current multiplier mechanism are thick ascending limb of loop of Henle, thin descending limb of loop of Henle, and collecting duct, but not vasa recta. Sleep spindles and K complexes are seen in stage 2 NRM sleep. Attention and concentration is mediated by frontal lobe. Patch clamp is used to study current flow along the single ion channel. The triad of bradycardia, hypertension, and irregular respiration is seen in Cushing's reflex. In amnestic syndrome, degenerative changes in the brain is seen, which is not a part of normal aging. The cells of the human body most sensitive to ischemia are neurons. Cholecystokinin causes contraction of gallbladder, stimulation of pancreatic enzyme secretion, and causes relaxation of sphincter of Oddi. Thank you.